Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
These are before and after applying this preset. Okay, let's start. Go to Profiles, then select Artistic 3. Then make it 200. Now let's go to Lights panel. Exposure to -0.47. Contrast to -22. Shadows to -60. Whites -29. Now blacks -10. Now go to Tone Curves. Follow these steps. Now Colors panel. Temperature to 18. Vibrance to 52. Saturation -10. Now go to Colors Mix. On orange hue to -100. Saturation -16. Luminance to 31. Now on yellow hue to -44. Saturation 29. On green hue to -100, and saturation to 87. On aqua, hue and saturation to -100. Luminance 88. On blue, hue and saturation to -100. Now luminance to +100. Go to Effects panel, to Haze to 10. Now to Details panel. Noise reduction to 20. Now, copy this preset settings, and paste it to your other photos, and remember to adjust the exposure, highlight, contrast, white and blacks a bit high if your photos are dark, as well as the shadows, so the color look warmer and just better.